This is a habit of girls. They always keep all the memory, old, especially old memories. So that's why I have in my mind all the stories. I will recall you. I will help you to recall all the stories, and you'll have to recite me. Okay.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay. Because in our childhood we used to listen a lot of stories, but these days we are, you can say, we are not having time, so we can. So I hope you have heard about story grasshopper and ant. Ant or
And
grasshopper? Actually, grasshopper was quite lazy. He used to all the time procrastinate. He used to keep all his work pending. On the other hand, ant was so much responsible for her duties. So most of the time grasshopper,
and
right? Suna hoga na?
okay.
Yes, and one day.
No, no, no.
Okay, okay, I'm reciting you. This story is about an ant, a grasshopper, where they both were quite good friends. But most of the time, ant used to utilize her time, and grasshopper used to waste his time. Most of the time, he used to play, and he used to play with the violin. He used to fly here and there. So once he was in mood of playing. He was in mood of playing. We have to make everything very simple, not typical one as in written we find. So one day he was in mood of playing, and he was playing violin. He asked his friend Ant to play with him. But Ant was busy in some work, and she was collecting some stuff, food for the rainy season. So she was busy collecting all the stuff. A grasshopper asked Ant to play with him, but she was not ready. She said, I'm really sorry. These days I have been collecting some stuff for the rainy days, because this is the season where after at least 10 days we are going to get rainy season. Then how will we go out to have something, to eat something? Grasshopper didn't take it seriously, and he was again started playing, cursing that ant like, you are so boring. Okay, and he started playing and wasting again his time. After 10 days, when rainy days starts or begins or started, or both we can apply, it depends. We are reciting the story in past or present. Okay, so when rainy days begins, what happened? What happened? Grasshopper started finding to eat anything. He started searching, he started looking for thing which he could eat, and he was very hungry. Rain that time, he didn't get the time to find anything. He used to sit on the tree whole day, because आई होप यू नो कि इनके feathers या wings, इनके wings होते हैं, feathers नहीं होते हैं. So इनके wings जब wet हो जाते हैं, they are not able to fly. So that's why they don't go out if their wings are drenched, भीग जाते हैं, wet or drenched, they cannot fly. So that's why dragon was scared, like his wings may not wet. So he was waiting rain to stop. He was waiting rain to stop. And he couldn't go anywhere to eat something or to collect anything. He was hungry whole day. Again the next day he waited, but rain didn't stop. Rain ruki nahi. Rain didn't stop. And again the second day he was whole day hungry. Okay, till the late night he realized he was going to die, or he was starving. Then he noticed ant going there, and he asked ant, ant, you are my best friend, so do you have something to eat? I'm really hungry, or I'm starving. Then ant made him realize, when I said to you, you need to collect some food, then you didn't take it seriously. And you also cursed me like you are boring. But I've collected stuff now. I'm eating, I'm enjoying. I'm all the day in my home. I'm all the day at my home, and I'm enjoying my meal every time. On the other hand, you are searching for things, and you are so hungry. Then he realized his mistake, and he said, sorry, but now I need something to eat. Please help me. Then ant provided him stuff, and from that day, grasshopper had become quite responsible for his duties, and he could learn a lot of things from that ant. How to be responsible, how to utilize the time, like that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so जरूरी नहीं
So
जो
okay,
मैंने
so I'm
सुनाया.
going to.
It's not important what I recited you. You have to cover the same word or something, but you have to clear or express the whole meaning of the story. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So this story is about two friends, grasshopper and ant. Grasshopper and ant. They were very good friends. They lived each other. But grasshopper was lazy. He was good at only playing. But other hand, talk about ant. So ant was so responsible. Yeah, one day grasshopper wanted to play with the ant. That's why he said, "I wanted to play with you. Are you are you coming?" That time ant said, "Actually, I'm busy due to a lot of work because I have to collect stuff because after 10 days it's going on. It's going to rain. So it's very necessary for me because if I uh, if I don't collect stuff, so how could I survive in rainy season? So yeah, that's why I'm busy. I can't I can't come with you. That time grasshopper got angry, and then he said, you are so boring. You are so boring. Uh, he gave cursed. But
Curse is enough to.
but
Curse is
and
enough. He cursed do.
hmm?
Curse do. Cursing. Curse. We have to use as a verb.
Yeah, he cursed. He cursed and said, "You are so boring." And is responsible. So she doesn't care about the word, and finally he got busy in her work. So somehow Ant got success to collect stuff. To collect stuff because after 10 days it's going on to rain. But other hand, grasshopper was lazy. He doesn't care about the situation. Finally, when the raining season is start, that time around their submerged area. So uh, so uh, so because ant already prepared all things like stuff and home, so he could survive easily. But other hand, grasshopper was lazy and he was careless. That's why he had lot of problem to survive in rainy season. Uh, he had to sit on the tree whole day even without taking food. Uh, Without taking food, he was waiting. He was waiting for it stop the raining, but unfortunately, rains doesn't stop. Did it stop? So
he was waiting rain to stop.
His
He was
problem.
waiting rain to
Sorry?
stop. He was.
But rain did stop.
Yes, he was waiting rain to stop.
Yeah, he was waiting. He was waiting to rain for stop.
Rain to stop.
But rain didn't stop. So his problem slowly increased, and finally a situation came in his life. That time, uh, that time, he was compelled. He was compelled to survive without taking food and without a home. That time he asked with his best friend Ant. He said, "You are my best friend. You have the food. You have the house. So if the possible, could you help me?" That time Ant said, "I told you already. After 10 days, after 10 days, it's going to rain. But you didn't care. Sorry, ma'am.
It's going to rain. Rain होने वाली है.
it's going to rain, but you didn't care about my word because you are the busy. You are the busy only playing. But now you can see everywhere what is summer. So that time grasshopper realized what I did mistake. Uh, what I did mistake. Yes, that's it. Another thing I forgot.
And he realized, like, I accept my mistake, I didn't take it seriously. Okay, but I need to eat something. Please provide me something which I could eat and I could feel better then and provided food, and he realized, and he started becoming so responsible from that time.